it's Drea. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Drea. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my on-set makeup, my natural looking makeup, and makeup I would do to take pictures or for my model marketing. It's really simple. It takes 10 minutes or less, and you need a clean face to start. So I wash my face with my cleanser, I put on moisturizer and my hyaluronic acid, and we're gonna start. I'm gonna be showing you guys the products and putting it in the description for you guys to see. But without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to give you guys the products list first so you don't have to worry about it later, so you know what you need to use if you're following this as a tutorial. So, what you're going to need is some powder. I use this CoverGirl Clean Invisible Powder. Some eyeshadow. I got this eyeshadow palette from Marshalls. It's called Golden Nudes. Y'all see that? I'm going to put it in the description. Shimmer Glow Palette by Ellen Tracy. It has blush, highlight, and bronzer. This is my new favorite item. I just got this maybe a week ago. I got mascara. It's by L'Oreal because mine is faded. I've had it for a really long time. It's a two-step mascara. One side is the primer and one side is the mascara. So step 1 is white, step 2 is black. This stuff has been my holy grail ever since I got it from Amazon. It's so good, and it was only, I believe, don't quote me, $4. It's brow soap, so you just wet your spoolie a little bit, rub it in there, voila, brows. You can fill in the spots as needed, of course. I have this mascara, which I love it, love it, love it. I got it from a beauty supply in DC. I don't remember the name of this, but I'm gonna find it for you guys. Gonna need some makeup brushes. Brushes from Marshalls. It was a whole makeup set. They have a whole bunch of brushes for $15 to $20. You can get a whole set of like 20 brushes. Of course, my primer and my foundation. That's my e.l.f. primer, by the way. It faded because I had it for a really long time. But that is everything you're gonna need, guys. And I recommend using a mirror and not your phone camera. So I'm using my favorite mirror, my triple fold light up mirror. This is what I showed in my last video. It's a little dirty, I gotta wipe it. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be pinning my hair back. I'm using a giant comb clip because I don't wanna get makeup in my hair and I don't want my hair in my face while I'm trying to record this video for you guys.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna be starting with my primer. Just apply it just like you would moisturizer everywhere on your face and rub it in with your hands. I find that you guys like videos. I got on my lip. It's okay. It's lip safe. But I find that you guys like my videos and I talk in more than the ones I just put music over. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys because I find that y'all like that a lot more for some reason. And I like that you guys want to feel connected to me, so it's always a good thing. Next, I'm going to be going in with my matte foundation. Same thing as the moisturizer. You only need 3 dots, y'all. 3 dots. I'm going to take my brush and just rub that in. Make sure you guys are getting full coverage, right under your eyes. Go on your nose. Just going everywhere with this. I'm gonna be using the camera just so you guys can see what I'm doing. It is another 4-day weekend coming up, so I hope everybody has something fun planned for their 4-day weekend, have something to do. At my school, they canceled my dance, unfortunately. I know every school where I'm at had a dance, but it got canceled, which sucks. But it's okay because they're having a game to make up for it. Y'all want to make sure y'all are getting above your lip too. Don't forget that part. You can even put it on your lip if you have a light lip color. Make sure you're getting your forehead area. See, a lot of people forget their forehead area. Gotta get the forehead area, y'all. I think my next video for you guys is gonna be a haul because I saw a lot of you guys on my Instagram requesting to see a haul or another get ready with me. or another vlog. There's a lot of videos you guys want to see. So my next one's gonna be a haul. Since you guys already saw a vlog, I'm gonna do something different for you guys. Thank you so much for the suggestions. And I've been going live a lot more recently at Drea Trisha on TikTok. Same thing as this YouTube handle, Drea Trisha with 2 A's. It's been going pretty good. I've been getting to interact with you guys, get some new followers, some new subscribers, and I've really just enjoyed having the chance to interact and meet so many new and familiar faces and amazing people. You guys have helped me grow and learn new things, and I'm thankful that I get to meet people from different backgrounds, from all over the world, that are helping me do what I do and that have like minds. That's always a great thing. Knowing people with like minds, you guys can be on the same grind, get help, get advice, and I just think that's amazing. You guys are finished blending this out. It should look like skin for real. Like, this foundation is literally top tier, y'all. As long as y'all get the right shade, best foundation, or at least for me it is. After your foundation, I recommend doing your brows and then your lashes and your eyeshadow too. So I'm gonna start with my brows, move to my eyeshadow, then my lashes, y'all. Rub it into the soap. Just rub it into the soap. That's what I'm doing, rubbing it into the soap. You want to make sure it's more like glue, not too watery, and just go ahead and rub this into your brows. Just brush it up like this. Front hairs up, comb the front hairs up, the rest just boom, boom. You want it to look something like this. Rub it in there, rub it in that brow soap. Do the same thing. Up, just like that. Up. Go up. I like to hold the front of the brush just so it's more accurate, but brush up and then down. Up, down. Like, see what I mean? It's okay if you guys get the soap like in other places, because it's a really easy cleanup process. You want it to look something like this though. Alright, try to clean this up. Just use a little bit of water and just go around the area where the tint got. Comes off pretty smooth and pretty easily. I just use my fingers to clean it up. I find that it's easiest. You can just use your fingers to brush it up as well. I like using my fingers sometimes, not always the spoolie. Make sure you guys are brushing it with your fingers. Fingers work just as well. Alright, y'all. After you do your brows, you can fill it in if you feel necessary. I personally don't. I feel like they look fine like this. So that's how I'm gonna leave it. Next, I'm gonna be doing eyeshadow. Yay! I'm gonna do eyeshadow. So grab your palettes. Today I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's like a light shimmery brown. I find this shade to be so pretty. So see, it's coming to life, y'all. It's coming to life. Make sure you get the inner corners too. Corners out here, and just boom. See, it's that simple. It is that simple. You can drag it out a little bit if you want, but really simple. Alright, y'all, after the eyeshadow, this powder gonna change your life. If you need more foundation, add it before you add the powder. Or I'm gonna show y'all a little trick today. This powder kind of hard to open. Fair warning. It's time to bake, y'all. This is a bit messy, so be careful when y'all do this. Look like I have flour on my face, but it's time to bake with the brush. And if you guys need more, y'all can add more. Don't be afraid of the powder. Don't be afraid of it, y'all. Just bake. Bake. And add more if you need more. I need some on my forehead, y'all. So. Let me stop playing. Just rub in circles, y'all. Rub in circles. Rub in circles. You can even do it over your brows. Sometimes I put powder on my brows because it just looks... It looks so much better. You know why? Yeah. If y'all want to, y'all can add another layer of foundation. Some people do it. Me personally, I don't recommend.
Side eye. Side eye.
You can bake that eyeshadow too if you feel like it. Eyeshadow wear. Eyeshadow wear. Eyeshadow wear. It's like, nah, y'all can still see it in the front. Anyways, y'all, bake, 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 bake. After you finish baking, that's when you want to move on to your lashes. With the white first, so closing my eyes so I don't get into my eyeball, y'all. But just make sure you guys are brushing upwards, upwards, upwards. Just get all in there. Don't be afraid of it. Just coat the lashes. It looks like glue. It really looks like lash glue. Anyways, y'all, same thing for the next eye. Make sure y'all just get it up in there. Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You can even do bottom lashes. I know this stuff like works miracles for me, so it should do the same for you. Black mascara. I do not use the duo side. I use this mascara. You can let it dry for a couple if you want to. I like doing it wet because it's an easier application. Just make sure you guys are getting it up in there with the black too. Don't be afraid of it. If you get any residue, it comes off easily. It's okay. Just make sure it's going up in there. And then another dip. Get some of it off. Bottom. And then like what? See the difference? Like, time for the other side. I'm done with that. If y'all want to make your brows a little darker, lightly apply mascara. Like this. Barely even touching the brows. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Ooh, I got a little bit right there. Y'all seeing the difference? You see the difference. So, boom, 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 boom. If y'all don't want to purchase brow soap, mascara will do the job as long as you do not over apply. Yes, I know how mascara all over my hands, y'all. But I'm trying to show y'all the process. We're going to get down, we're going to get messy. And y'all are going to see, for real, behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Boom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bear with. Bear with. I'm going to be adding highlighter. Highlighter. Don't be afraid of that highlighter. I use this shade right here, the darkest one. Just light. You don't want anything super heavy. Light application. Because highlighter is going to make you look like you're glowing. And you don't want that. You can put a little bit in your inner corners if you want to. I don't do this for set. Do not do this for an audition. Don't do but since I'm at home, I'm gonna add a little bit just to show you guys. See, like, gives you a little. You can add a little bit here to keep it like that. Now. Make sure you close your powder really tight, y'all. Anyways, now that we're done with that part, you can use a lip color if you don't want to use just clear gloss. I use the Lava Cake by NYX. This stuff is my holy grail gloss. See that color? It's a really nice and rich color for my skin tone. I love it. And it really goes with a little pop of highlighter because it's such a dark shade. You guys can add bronzer if you want to. I recommend adding bronzer actually if you want to structure your face more. I'm going to show you guys how to do that properly. And always add bronzer after you bake. It shows more. I'm going to show you guys how to model your cheekbones today. Your life is going to change. Take your brush, dip it in the bronzer, and don't do up here. No. Right underneath. I just want to fill in that whole area. Suck your cheek if you have to. It gets even better. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. You see the difference? You see that? You see that? Add some to your jawline. Y'all see it, not right? So, anyways, y'all, same thing to the other side. This is perfect for light under eyes. Just add it like this. It gives you a really nice light under eye look for my girls who like light under eyes. I'm not a fan personally, but if this is part of your routine, I'm trying to help y'all out. So light under, like that. And then add a little bit of foundation right over it. I say a little bit, I mean like a smidget. Put it on the brush though. On the brush. It's gonna help give you a light but natural look. Make sure you guys are brushing it out like this. You don't want to look like a ghost under there. You want to make sure it's light but natural light. You know what I'm saying? Put it like that. Boom. And after that, you can add setting spray. I don't use setting spray because I just don't feel the need to. And if you guys want to add blush, this palette includes blush, which I love. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush for Valentine's spirit, you know. Make sure you want to smile, get this whole area. That's how you know your blush area. Smile, this area. You take that same brush and blend it. And when you take out your hair, you're done. That's it. Really cute, natural look. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And another video will be released on Sunday. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.